I'm going to make one of my favorite little pick-me-ups. If I'm on the verge of a cold or just need a little support, it's very easy, but it really harnesses the beauty and power of natural ingredients to boost your wellness. Grate some fresh ginger. Ginger is really good for your digestion, half a teaspoon because it's very strong. Now I'm gonna get some hot water. This is really boiling. Add a little bit of turmeric. Turmeric has incredible anti-inflammatory properties. And then I'm gonna add the juice of half a lemon, ton of vitamin C and flavor. I love the taste of lemon. Real honey. It's an antibacterial, soothes the throat. Crack a little black pepper in it to activate the turmeric. So good. Unexpected. It's earthy, it's warm, it's spicy, it's sweet, it's delicious.